What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today we are camping out in Seward. We're going to be doing some fishing. Right now we're over at our camp spot. We're off of Glacier Exit Road. Check this out. It's pretty cool. It's right off the water. I also want to kind of do a video for you guys of my basic setup. So right now I am by myself, and so I'm doing like bare bones, just sleeping with the material that I got, or the blankets and stuff that I have in my rooftop tent, and then just bring in some basic food and stuff. It's just me out here. The wifey is working, so I'm hanging out with some friends, Callie and Maggie, who are always camping on the weekends, so it's always good to meet up with them. But yeah, so I'll show you guys kind of my whole setup here and just kind of like my basic go-to configuration. All right, so one of the first things I usually take out of my truck, with the way I pack it, is my 5-gallon tank right here. This water you can use for drinking or for cooking. Get your butt out of here. But I like it because it has a spout here, so you can use it as a hand washing station. So I got some Dove and Dawn. Sorry, I got some Dawn. And you can just kind of wash dishes or wash your hands on here. Little microfiber towel just to wipe your hands off. And then inside the main tote, I usually keep it right at the front of the truck just so I can easily get to it. All of this stuff on this side is all of the camping material. This is all cooking, and this is all kind of like, or utensils and plates are in the middle, and then all of my cooking stuff's on the side. Things have gotten a little bit, I've kind of just been stuffing some things in here because I left pretty early today. But I got my jet bowl in here. I got a big pot. All of literally everything about the kitchen is in this setup, and I kind of have like a logical order for it and whatnot. I'll have to go through that a little bit later, more in depth. And then I have a dry food storage container in here. So I got some Mountain House, marshmallow stuff, you know, some cup of noodle, some late night eats. And then I have a black tote right over here, which usually this changes depending on what I am doing. So if I'm going fishing, I'll usually have some of my fishing gear in here. Got my waders usually in here, spare rain jacket, and I also do have an extra stove in here as well, just in case if I'm by myself and I'm just fishing. I'll usually just take this tote. I'll leave this one at home, but this usually changes based on what I'm doing. And then obviously I have my tent, which I'm going to be sleeping in. I do have all of my sleeping material already in the tent, so I don't need to bring anything extra. So this is pretty much bare bones for me when I'm camping. All I really have is my camping tote, my dry food storage, my truck tote, because this also has my air compressor in it, just in case I get a flat or if I need to air down. I have an extra cooler in here. Just we're fishing for reds, and so I don't want to put it in my Dometic. So I do have the Dometic in here right now. And it's currently chilling at 32 degrees. It's running off my car battery at the moment because I gotta get my Goal Zero ready. But this is the third outing I've had with the Goal Zero, and it's been amazing. I'm not going to open that again just so I can conserve its energy, but soggy food, thing of the past. So a couple other things I got on here. I actually made this over the winter time because I really wanted a flat surface for my truck tailgate, but you'll never believe how much a piece of metal just to make your truck tailgate flat and level so that you can cook food on it, you know, without having it rocking back and forth like if it was sitting on this material right here. So I ended up grabbing just a spare piece of wood for my garage and ended up spray painting it, sanding it down, spray painting, and then I store it underneath my rooftop tent. So there's a little hole right here that you can store this piece of wood. So I always have it on me. It's just bungee corded to the top. So it sits right between the gap between my crossbars and my rooftop tent. So it never takes up any space in my truck. I never have to remember to bring it, and it's been awesome for cooking. And I saved $250 because there's only one company that sells a flat layer sheet of metal that's like food grade safe and all that stuff. There's only one company that makes it for the Nissan Frontier, and that's Mountain Hatch, I believe is what it's called. 250 bucks. And I was like, no, that'll be like a future upgrade. I ended up just doing this instead. This has actually worked out pretty well. I mean, for being a surface like that, it's very modular where I can take it off, put it back on whenever I want. It's not food grade safe. I don't cut like vegetables and crap on here. I actually have a cutting board inside of my kitchen tote, or camping kitchen tote. So that's kind of what I use to cut food on. But otherwise, this thing has done great for being free. So, and you can't argue with free. But anyway, so that's kind of my basic setup. I don't really have much other than the camp kitchen, my basic truck tote. So yeah, this is a pretty cool spot. I'll mark it down in the description below of exactly where this is at, and I'll kind of walk you guys around here just to show you what it's like. But this place is giant. Boondocking, dry camping, that is like the best way to camp. So you're not waking up in the morning to the sound of generators, you know, whenever you're in a campground. It's just, I love hearing the nature out here. It's great. Hey, butter. This is where we're camping for the night. Say hi, guys.
Hey!
Callie and Maggie are with me tonight. We're hanging out at this awesome campground here. Or, well, dry camping spot, you know.
Nature.
Nature.
Define dry.
Yeah, exactly. Oh yeah, so we found this hidden gem back here. I'll just kind of show you here. Remind you, this is a dry camping, so we're not at a campground or anything. We're just off the side of the road, down a kind of a dirt road, and it's public land back here. But look what we found back here. Someone literally made a little bathroom out here. Look at this view though. I mean, wouldn't you be okay taking a dump in this view?
So I have a dare for Caden. Whiskey or pee?
Oh, hell no.
Whiskey or pee?
100% pee. No one would leave that. No one would leave whiskey behind like that.
Whiskey or pee?
Nope.
Come on, Caden.
Nope.
Just a sniff
I'm not even gonna
check.
touch that.
Just a
I
sniff check.
Had to go pick up some s'mores supplies. I'm never walking anywhere again. What's up, dogs? Good morning, guys. Pretty calm morning. Slept really, really good. Hanging out at camp. We're about to do some fishing this morning. We're gonna do some snagging for reds, right off of Nash Road, I think is what it's called in Seward. Ooh, nice. Just reeling back slow. Keep your line tight. Very nice. Nice. Second cast, huh?
I was like, that's definitely just like a rock that I'm stuck on.
There you go.
I'll walk it back to Maggie.
I think Maggie's on her way here.
Well,
oh, never mind.
She's just like staring at me now, like, what the fuck?
Ah, no.
They're out there.
They are. So it's pretty slow out, guys, but Callie did catch one a little bit ago, so that's good. All right, guys, so we're wrapping up the fishing game right now. It was pretty slow, didn't catch anything. Callie caught one, which was good. At least our group didn't go away empty-handed, you know. But oh well, you win some, you lose some. Still an awesome day in Seward. Usually don't see Seward this sunny out right now, but it is gorgeous right now, so that's nice. It was an awesome night camping out off of Exit Glacier. I'll put our coordinates down for where our camp spot was down in the description if anyone's interested. It was kind of near the road, so you did hear some cars passing by, but not too much. It was a good time. It wasn't super windy, which last time I camped out at Exit Glacier, it was really, really windy out there. So super nice night, really peaceful sleep. So can't complain. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys have any questions, if you guys like any more videos like this, feel free to subscribe, like this video. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.